Welcome to the instructions video for the Frequency Converter Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool allows you to instantly convert frequency values between hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz, and terahertz units, making it perfect for RF engineering, audio work, and telecommunications applications. Using this calculator is straightforward. You'll see input fields for each frequency unit. Simply enter your known frequency value into the corresponding field. For example, let's enter 500 into the megahertz field. As soon as you input the value, the calculator automatically converts and displays the equivalent frequency in all other units. You'll see the results showing 500 million hertz, 500,000 kilohertz, 0.5 gigahertz, and 0.0005 terahertz. You can enter values in any field, and all other fields will update accordingly. This bidirectional conversion makes it easy to work with whatever unit your project requires. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.